How to undelete and restore your posts from Instagram. So let me show you how it's done. So first up, I will delete a post just for you guys and make sure that I restore it. So all you have to do is don't press delete. If there is an option of archiving something, please archive something, because it's always better to archive than to delete, as deletion has a 30-day refresh period. So if your deleted post has exceeded 30 days, you will not be able to retrieve it as easily as you could retrieve it if you put it into archive mode, because archive mode also does all the same things that delete does. It doesn't show up on your account, yet you can always restore it. So the freedom aspect of archive is always so much better than deletion. So for this video, I will delete something for you. So I'm deleting this post that you can see here on the screen. And once I do that, I will try to go and restore it. All you have to do is go to your profile again, click on the menu, which is on the top right corner. And when you're here, you go and click on your activity. And here you can see there is this tab, which is called recently deleted. Click on it, and here you can see that I deleted 3 posts. And once you come here, you have to click on the post that you want to restore. So once you're here, you click on the 3 dots, and when you click on the 3 dots, you can see there are 2 options. One is permanently delete and the other is restore. Since that's what we want to do, I'm going to click on restore. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you like this video. Comment down below on what questions you have, and if you have any further ideas about future videos. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.